Okay, so let's summarize this section so we can understand what we've just learned. All stocks trade in phases of price movement. And if you can identify those phases, then you have a pretty good idea of what phase is going to come next, because they always come next. It's a cycle. The first phase is accumulation. The second phase is markup. The third phase is distribution. The fourth phase is markdown. They always follow that order. Always. We also talked about some things that you can see on a chart that will give you an indication that the current accumulation phase or distribution phase is going to be more powerful and a great move, and to help you determine which stocks are the best stocks to buy at any one point or to sell. In chart patterns, we always want to read the volume. Always read the volume with the price. The two things work together. Remember, stocks trade in an auction environment, and auctions are based on excitement. Plot the on-balance volume line on your charts. That's going to help you determine what's most likely to happen next. Remember, during the accumulation phase, on-balance volume likes to rise. During the distribution phase, it likes to fall. Look for bases. And the base is a period where you have a shoot up in prices followed by another little period of quiet activity. Bases also occur midlife in the markup phase. Because they occur midlife occasionally in the markup phase, and there's usually 3 to 5 of them, they give you another opportunity to place a trade in a stock where maybe you missed it to begin with, where if there's a new fresh high coming out of that base, you can buy it, you have a nice anchor point for your stop loss, and you can catch it again. We look for smiles and frowns. And when we see a smile and it's in an accumulation period, that's a stock we get excited about. We buy smiles. We sell frowns. If you get shaken out of a stock, and a shakeout is a dip that clears out the stops and prices, followed by, usually within a week, a new high, that's a stock to get excited about. If you see a shakeout followed by a base, that's one of the most powerful moves you can have if everything else is there.